Welcome to Rider Fusion, your go-to channel for all things two-wheeled. From adrenaline-pumping sports bikes to revolutionary electric rides, we bring you the latest and greatest. And today, we are diving into Kawasaki's exciting new release, the 2025 Elektrode 16. Opening hook. What makes the Elektrode 16 special? Electric bikes aren't just for adults anymore. Kawasaki is bringing their A-game with the all-new Elektrode 16, an advanced, eco-friendly, and stylish electric dirt bike designed specifically for young riders. But don't let its kid-friendly size fool you, this bike packs serious tech and performance. Design and build. The 2025 Elektrode 16 features a sleek, futuristic frame made from lightweight yet durable materials. Its vibrant Kawasaki green color combined with bold black accents screams speed and adventure. The low-profile seat ensures young riders can handle the bike comfortably while learning the ropes of off-road riding. Performance and battery tech. Powered by a high-capacity electric motor, the Elektrode 16 offers a smooth and quiet ride with impressive torque for quick acceleration. The battery is easy to charge and provides hours of fun riding on trails or in backyards. Parents can rest easy knowing the bike has adjustable speed limits for safety. Safety and innovation. Safety comes first. The Elektrode 16 includes intuitive braking, large knobby tires for better traction, and lightweight components for easy handling. Whether your young rider is just starting out or already a thrill seeker, this bike grows with their skills. Conclusion: the future is electric. The 2025 Kawasaki Elektrode 16 isn't just a bike, it's an entry point to the future of riding. Kawasaki is paving the way for young adventurers to experience the thrill of dirt biking while staying eco-conscious. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Rider Fusion for more exciting content on the hottest bikes and gear in the market. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart.